It's about after the 1 o'clock hour in Duval County, and I am just doing a little live footage from a friend's house where there's a dock out here, and it's already been rebuilt once. So I was just trying to show some footage of the effects of Hurricane Dorian right about now, and even though they've already did a mandatory evacuation for Jacksonville, Florida, but of course everybody doesn't leave when they're supposed to. But I'm showing you that the water tide is raising significantly. So I was out here earlier and it wasn't that bad. So an hour and a half went by and it really started kind of flooding the main street area in front of this neighborhood. In the front, but I'm in the back, of course, by the St. Johns River, by the north side of Jacksonville, Florida. So it's up to you if you want to leave. Totally, but I think I may drive west. Maybe not. See these water bugs coming to the top of the pole, running from the water. They're about to drown soon. It's getting flooded quickly. Slowly but quickly. But for the most, the sun keeps shining. It'll rain. The sun will come back out, but it's not changing the water level at all. Slowly, slowly, slowly drifting in. Last time there was a storm, it flooded this whole area in the front of the cul-de-sac. 3 to 5 feet possibly of water. You couldn't definitely drive your car out of here. So, well, it's either hit or miss. Who knows? I will have a part 2 of the results, possibly during the hurricane. I'm gonna get in a kayak, pedal my way through to discover some interesting things. Stay tuned. Stay tuned.